Holding to a consistent preventive maintenance schedule is the most valuable action a fleet manager can take to extend the life of your assets. Something like a missed $60 and 30-minute oil change could lead to catastrophic failure that takes a vehicle off the job for multiple days, or it could mean that you have to replace the vehicle entirely, which could take even longer in today's market. Many fleets track their PM history in a notebook or a binder, a format that isn't easy to search and could be thrown off by something as simple as bad handwriting. The best way to get control of your maintenance schedules is to move that information to your computer. And while we always recommend a software solution like ours that sends automatic service reminders, we also realize that's not currently an option for some fleets. That's why we created our free Preventive Maintenance Schedule spreadsheet. Majority of the fleet managers we work with are coming from spreadsheets, so we've taken some of the best that we've seen and created something that can truly help you get better control over your PM tracking. Today, we'll walk you through our PM spreadsheet and how you can customize it to meet the needs of your fleet. If you'd like to follow along, you can download this template for free at the link in the video description below. But before we get started, I want to remind you that we have a library full of free tools to help you start tracking your fleet data. The link to that is also in the video description. All right, let's talk about your fleet's preventive maintenance.
When you open this up for the first time, you'll see that it's set to view only. Before you can start editing this document, you'll have to create your own copy by going to File, and then select Make a Copy. Give it a unique name to your fleet, and if you plan on tracking a lot of maintenance data, it might be best to go ahead and categorize this spreadsheet more specifically with something such as a year or a vehicle. We'll say that this spreadsheet covers all of our fleet's PM for 2022. Click OK, and now you're ready to start tracking your fleet's preventive maintenance. If you want to give somebody else on your team access to this document, Google Sheets makes that easy for you by selecting Share in the top right corner and entering their email address. You can also create a shareable link if that's your preference. When you first open this spreadsheet up, it can probably seem overwhelming. We've made this spreadsheet so that you can easily surface upcoming maintenance tasks, but first you probably need to see how all of this information works together. If you look at the bottom of this spreadsheet, you'll notice that we have 3 separate sheets. When you open it up, you'll be on the Maintenance Tasks sheet. This is where you set your fleet's standard maintenance tasks, as well as the interval at which you prefer to perform those tasks. We'll go into further detail on this, but just know that you need to start here, and then once you fill this out, you move to the full maintenance log. On this sheet, this is where you log all of your maintenance performed. It's sorted by vehicle ID and the type of service. Once you fill that information out, it will automatically show you when the next service is due based on the data in the previous sheet. And as you build out your maintenance log, you get to take advantage of the most exciting sheet in this spreadsheet, the vehicle overview. The vehicle overview is meant to serve as an automatically generated report for individual vehicles in your fleet, so you can surface the recent service history immediately. See that as I change this drop-down to another vehicle in the fleet, the service information below automatically changes. Try doing that with your dusty shop maintenance binder. And that's a really quick overview of what this spreadsheet is and how it all works together. But now I'd like to walk you through the sheets at a deeper level so you can start customizing this information for your fleet. Let's go back to the Maintenance Tasks sheet. You'll see that we've filled in most of the common maintenance tasks. We've even added in the standard maintenance intervals that we've seen from OEMs. However, you're not locked into these tasks or these intervals. If you have a fleet that works in a particularly dusty environment, you might want to change the air filter more frequently than every 6 months. You can adjust that task by simply typing in your new number here. If you want to add maintenance tasks to this list, you can easily do that by scrolling to the bottom and finding an empty slot, typing in your task, and then how many miles and/or months you try to run between services. Not every maintenance task is based on mileage or period of time, so only add the information that is relevant, and you can leave the other fields blank. If you need to remove anything from this list, just highlight the cells and click Delete. You can resort this list alphabetically by clicking on this arrow in column A and selecting Sort Sheet A to Z, or Z to A if you're into that kind of thing. I'm not here to judge the way you alphabetize your fleet. Once you get this list to a place that you like, you're ready to move to the full maintenance log. This spreadsheet is not meant to display historical data. We have our fleet maintenance spreadsheet for that, download link in the description below. But rather, this spreadsheet is to quickly show you which tasks are coming up soon or overdue. So this is not a place to log every single maintenance task, but rather to log the most recent maintenance task for each vehicle. We've added in a few just to show you how it works. You can delete these by right-clicking on the number on the left and select Delete Row. But we want to use these to show you some of the functionality, so we'll keep it all in there for now. As you can see, we break down the data by vehicle ID. You can select this drop-down box if you prefer to use VIN. And then from there, we've got service performed. The list in this drop-down is automatically pulled from the maintenance task you defined in the first sheet. And then you add in the most recent service information only. If you want to update a service entry, just change the information that already exists. Let's say that we've performed an oil and filter change on vehicle 1 so that it's no longer overdue. We wouldn't create a new entry. Rather, I'd navigate to the existing entry and update the odometer reading, the date, and the cost of that service. The next couple of columns update automatically, so it pulls the frequency of service from the timeline we defined in our maintenance task sheet and automatically tells us when our next service due date is. Notice that when we changed the odometer reading on the oil and filter change for vehicle 01, the shading of this cell changed from red to green. If you click this cell with the black tab, it'll display a note that tells us red tasks are overdue, yellow tasks are due soon, and green tasks are due in the future. With that oil change, all of our maintenance tasks are up to date and not due soon. Be careful if you decide to edit any of these cells because you could break the formulas that we built into the spreadsheet. Let's add a new vehicle with a maintenance record that will make it due for maintenance soon. We can add this to vehicle 02, and let's say we're logging an air filter change. We'll add in an odometer reading that took place on September 2nd of 2021, and a cost so we can reference that in the future. With this entry, you can see that the cell is shaded yellow, so we know that this vehicle is due for an air filter change soon, and we can plan to bring it into the shop. This sheet is also sortable, so you can find things easier. If you want to sort by upcoming maintenance date, you can select the arrow next to J up here, and then sort A to Z. You'll get a warning that you're editing a range that you shouldn't. That's in regards to the formulas and won't be affected by sorting, so you're okay to proceed. And now you can see that our whole list is sorted by upcoming due date. You can do the same thing with mileage or even vehicle ID to easily find a vehicle in your fleet and add a service entry. As this sheet fills up, the most important thing you can do is log vehicle maintenance as it happens and consistently sort by due date or mileage to find assets that are due for service soon. But it's not reasonable to try and use this sheet every time you need to find information on a vehicle in your fleet, because you might just want to know when it was last serviced, even if it's not due soon. That's why we created the last sheet in this spreadsheet, the vehicle overview. As I said earlier, this sheet updates automatically for each vehicle using the information from the other two sheets in your spreadsheet. The only cell you need to edit is the drop-down box in B5. This list of vehicles is automatically generated from the vehicles logged in your full maintenance log sheet. As you select different vehicle IDs, you'll see that the information below updates to show you all the recent service entries for that vehicle. Just a warning, if you edit anything outside of this drop-down box, you risk breaking the formulas below and messing up the function of this report builder. This sheet is great if your boss or a technician wants a full recent maintenance report for a specific vehicle. To print this report, highlight the rows you want to print by holding Shift and clicking on the rows on the left, then go to File and Print. Change this to Selected Cells, and you can uncheck Show Notes, and you're ready to go. You can export it as a PDF by going to File, Download, PDF, and following the same steps. And that's how to use our preventive maintenance schedule spreadsheet. As you can see, it's more than just a log of work performed. It's a tool that you can use to make sure that your fleet is well maintained, and it should help you minimize unplanned vehicle downtime. Spreadsheets can be a great way to get better control of your PM data, but even the best spreadsheets can become overwhelming as you try to track more and more information. Plus, they only give you a limited view of the maintenance history of a vehicle in your fleet. When you're ready to automatically track maintenance tasks and remove the repeat actions that come with spreadsheets, you can take all of your maintenance data and quickly import it into a fleet maintenance software. By managing your fleet maintenance with software, you can receive automatic notifications to make sure that you never miss a PM task again. Fleetio's fleet management software can instantly create service reminders based on OEM recommendations when you input a vehicle's VIN, And it can also take your driver's mobile pre-trip inspections or your telematics data to get an updated odometer reading for mileage-based tasks. Fleetio also allows you to combine historical maintenance data with fuel and other costs associated with your vehicle so you can accurately track the vehicle's cost per mile and determine when a vehicle is costing your fleet more money than it's worth. When you're ready to take your maintenance data to the next level, we'd be happy to walk you through Fleetio's features personally with a product demo or let you try it free for 14 days. Just go to fleetio.com for more information and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to get notified about new free tools or fleet management tips.